Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the best beauty products out there. Today, we're taking a closer look at a unique and stylish piece. The Sweet Talk Wig Short Lace Front Wavy Crop Women's by Eva Gabor Wigs in the gorgeous Honey Pecan shade. Now, if you're new to wigs or just looking for a fresh style, you're in the right place. Let's talk about what this piece has to offer and whether it's worth adding to your collection. This wig features a monofilament part that gives it a natural, realistic look by allowing your own scalp to show through the parting. It also comes with a temple-to-temple sheer lace front, which ensures that the hairline blends seamlessly into your skin, giving you that coveted, realistic, undetectable look. On top of that, the wig includes ultra-thin adjusters at the nape, so you can easily adjust it for a secure, personalized fit, whether you're wearing it all day or just for an event. The cap itself is made with resilient stretch material, ensuring a comfortable and custom-like fit without feeling too tight or too loose. This can be especially important if you're someone who wears wigs frequently. The average cap size should fit most head shapes, which is a nice plus. In terms of hair, this is synthetic hair. No worries about constant styling or upkeep. The synthetic fibers are designed to hold the shape of the style without needing much maintenance. So it's perfect for those busy mornings when you want to look put together without a lot of effort. Now, I've had a chance to wear this wig for a few different occasions, from casual outings to more dressed up events. The texture of the hair feels soft to the touch, and the waves add a flattering, voluminous look without feeling too heavy. It's easy to shake out the curls and go. Definitely a no-fuss style. The length of the wig is also really versatile. 7 inches at the front, 8.5 inches at the crown, 6 inches on the sides, and 7.5 inches at the back, with a nape length of 3.5 inches. This gives you a natural, flattering crop without feeling like too much. When it comes to real-world testing, I wore this wig throughout an entire day to see how it held up. I'm happy to report that it stayed in place and maintained its shape. The lace front was particularly helpful in giving a more natural look, especially in the front where hairlines can often be tricky with wigs. I didn't notice any uncomfortable itching or discomfort, which I've had with other wigs in the past. It was lightweight, breathable, and easy to adjust if needed. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the monofilament part and lace front provide an ultra-realistic look, which is something that really stood out for me. The comfort fit is also a huge pro, thanks to the adjustable features and stretchable cap material. Plus, the synthetic hair is easy to manage, just style and go. On the flip side, because this is a synthetic wig, you might find that it can't handle heat styling as well as human hair. While it's a major convenience not having to worry about constant maintenance, you're limited to the style that the wig comes in. The cap size is average, so if you have a particularly small or large head, it might not provide the perfect fit for you. So, value for money, this wig is priced in a mid-range category for synthetic wigs, and I'd say it's definitely worth the price considering the natural look, comfortable fit, and how little upkeep it requires. If you're someone who wears wigs regularly and wants something low maintenance yet stylish, this could be a great option. As for comparisons, there are other wigs out there that offer similar features, like Raquel Welch's synthetic lace front wigs, but the Sweet Talk wig stands out with its super comfortable cap and soft, bouncy waves. If you're looking for something similar, but at a lower price point, there are other synthetic lace front wigs from brands like John Rennell that are also worth considering. In terms of build quality, I can say that this wig is solidly constructed. The cap material feels sturdy but still flexible, which is great for ensuring a secure fit without the discomfort of tightness. The synthetic fibers seem durable as well, and based on my experience, it should hold up for many uses. I haven't personally dealt with customer service from Eva Gabor Wigs, but their reputation in the industry is pretty stellar. Many customers have praised the brand for responsive and helpful service, so that's definitely a plus. If you're after alternatives to this wig, I'd suggest checking out other synthetic lace front wigs from Renee of Paris or Hairdo. especially if you want something in a different price range or color. Those options still deliver that natural look and comfortable fit, but might cater to a different budget. Finally, the verdict. This wig is a great option if you're looking for something with a realistic look, comfort, and low-maintenance styling. It's well suited for those who want a quick, stylish look without the upkeep of human hair wigs. While the limitations of synthetic hair might be a deal breaker for some, the overall performance and price point make it a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.